Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a new flower making video. I had a video for this kind of flowers a few weeks ago, but I want to quickly show you today how to create them, and I will apply that clear glitter to give them a lovely frosty effect. I hope you can see it well on the camera that these are sparkling, very pretty. Obviously these flowers do not need to be white. I've got a card here where I created the same flower colored in mint, and I gave it different stamens and use it on the card, which is not wintry card at all. So that's an idea. And I'm using Lady E Design Leaves 002 die and this middle size die from the set. Okay, and from one piece of foam you'll be able to create 15-16 double layered flowers. So that's a lot for one piece of foam. So I will quickly show you how to do it. Oh, you will need some stamens. I will only use 3 stamens. These are double-sided, and flower making tool will be really helpful. Piece of wire and a foam and hot glue gun for now. Okay, so what I will do, I will take the petal, the layer, kind of fold it in half and in half, and this one goes on the top. So I want to grab all pointy ends together and roll them. Kind of, it's difficult to roll because there are very little, but I want to kind of squash it. Okay, then I will unfold it and I will give a bump to each petal. So I place the ball and I will with my fingers push the foam into the ball, so it will give me that a little bump on the petal, and I will repeat that for all flowers. Everything was explained in the previous video, that's why I will go quickly with it today. Okay, and then I will just push it, and I will do the same with the other one. So you can always go back to my previous video. I will link it below that video. I created, I think, 3 layered flowers with the leaves there, so you know, a bit different. But yeah, because this got those that glitter on the top, I want to show you how I'm applying it. So then I will just take the stamens, place the wire on top of the stamens, fold them and fold the wire. It will help me to put them all through my flower. So I just go through the center, and before my my stamens will reach the end, the bottom of the until before they will go to the bottom, I'm going to add a small dot of a glue here. Okay, small dot, kind of gently squashing the flower from the bottom and pulling the stamens down. Okay, and I will do the same with the second layer. I hope I stay in focus. I got a new camera and it's nightmare. I think I'm out of focus a lot, but hopefully not. Okay, so before I will I'm going to add another dot of a glue between the layers and kind of do the same, gently squashing it from the bottom. I don't like to overlap petals here, but you can overlap them if you wish. So I will have only 2 layers, as you can see. I will trim that off now. Okay, And now I will need a piece of paper because I will be adding that lovely, lovely glitter. Let me turn the glue off. And I want to show you a few kinds of glitter I have here. This is the Cosmic Shimmer glitter beads. It's very delicate, and it's clear, but it's got small clear pieces. I say but because I like this one the most, which is this is Diamond Dust from Twinklets. Yeah, I think so. And this one is clear also, but it's got big pieces. That's why I really like it. What I have to say about that glitter, it's quite hard, so if you will grab it in your fingers and try to sprinkle, sometimes it may hurt, so be careful with this one. But this is the one I'll be adding. And I've got frosting powder here as well. I want to show you because this one's got a little bit of color. It's mostly clear, but it's got some color bits as well. Oh, focus coming off. So yeah, so they all give similar effect. But I'm using that Diamond Dust, and I will apply it with gel medium. These are big pieces, so you could use a glue, but I know the gel medium will hold it really well. So I've got a little brush, and I'm going just apply a thin layer of gel medium all over my petals. You could add gel medium only in the middle or on the edges of your petals, however you want. Okay, I'm just kind of spreading it everywhere, maybe a bit more in the middle. Okay, and it will make your flowers harder, so it can be good because they're kind of stiff, not so soft, and yeah, good. They will not get damage on your project. So I'm sprinkle it with it now, and I will shake off the excess. I just go on that bottom layer as well. Okay, shake it well. And I've got that beautiful frost on my flower. I hope you can see it well. It's so pretty. So then I will obviously take that back to the jar. And that's it, what I wanted to show you today. I also would love to invite you to Handmade Foamiran Flowers Facebook group, which is run by me and 14 Craft Bar. And in that group you can share your Foamiran flowers and project with them. So yeah, if you would love to join us, I will link it below the video. And my dies are available on eBay. You will find this link there as well. And thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bye.